It's that time of year again when everyone just has too many darn zucchinis. Hello, Sandwich Dad here. Let's go make a zucchini sandwich. Just picked this guy from here. I got yellow zucchinis this year. We're gonna grab a bunch of this basil. And as we zoom up from my socks, you'll notice that we have a zucchini, some mozzarella, some basil, some garlic, some oil, some sunflower seeds, some balsamic glaze, and this nice roll here. Let's start with that. First, we'll butter and toast up our roll. Then, to some nice thick pieces of zucchini, salt, some pepper, oregano, and a bit of cumin, a little bit of oil, and toss. And we'll grill those up in the pan. While that's grilling, we're going to make a pesto. There's our basil, some sunflower seeds, because we can afford pine nuts, garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of Parmigiano Cipifaco, a little bit of oil, and then we'll pound the crap out of it. Start wondering why the hell you didn't use a food processor and pound some more. Alright, Sandwich Lad's gonna wake up any time now. We're gonna call that good enough. It's not a proper pesto. Make sure and tell me, but I don't care. We'll spread it on both sides of our nice bread, and we'll layer our, grilled zucchini. We'll add some sliced mozzarella. Put it under the broiler. That's melted enough, and we'll finish it off with a little bit of balsamic glaze. Close it up, the sandwich diagonally, and cut horizontally. And reveal. Zucchini sandwich taste test. That is very nice. And I have one less zucchini to worry about. This is Sandwich Dad. Good